Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you my everyday go-to makeup look. I used to wear this look every time when I used to go to college. So here I applied my favorite moisturizer, which is Johnson's Baby Cream. And after this, I'm going to use a foundation. The foundation which I'm using here is Lakme 925 foundation. The shade I will give it on the screen. So I'm dotting it all over my face. I'm taking very less, as you can see, dotting it all over my face, on my forehead, on my neck, every exposed area. I was never a foundation person. I never used foundation in my college time because I never felt like doing it. But since I'm showing you the same Mousse foundation in all my videos, and I bought this foundation finally from a store nearby my house, so I thought of using it in my current video. So here I'm using my fingers only to mix the foundation all over my face, because come on guys, be practical. We don't have time when we are going to our college or office in the morning, so we don't have that much time to use tools or a beauty blender or a foundation brush to blend our foundation. So that's why I'm using my fingers here, and I'm using little bit more under my eyes and or on my eyelid area to hide the darkness. I have little bit of darkness in that area, and again I'm using my middle finger to mix the foundation. So after the foundation, I will use my favorite compact. You all know the same Lakme Absolute Wet and Dry Compact, and as you can see, I am patting it on my skin. I'm not dragging it all over my skin, because if I will drag it, the foundation will start coming out. The foundation will crumble and it will come out. So I'm just patting it on my skin, and I will advise you people as well to pat it on your skin and not drag it. So after the foundation is done and face powder is done, I'm going to fill my eyebrows, and I'm using the same Chambord Kajal to fill my eyebrows. The Chambord Kajal and color bar brush I'm using here. I tried using the dark brown shade, as I have seen many YouTubers doing. They are filling their eyebrows with dark brown shade. I tried doing so, but I didn't like the color. My eyebrows were looking very unnatural. Whenever I fill my eyebrows with black shade very lightly, then I feel that they are looking much natural. I didn't like the brown shade, that's why I'm not using it here. Initially I tried filling the eyebrows from brown eyeshadow only, but I like the black one more, as you can see. So my eyebrows are done, and now I'm going to take a mascara wand. As you can see here, I'm taking this mascara wand and smudging the excess product, and I'm brushing my eyebrows. This is the mascara wand from Lakme Iconic Mascara, the worst mascara which I ever used. Not at all recommended. And now I'm using the Chambord Kajal, the same Chambord Kajal which I used to fill my eyebrows. You all know I'm a kajal lover. I can never skip my home without applying kajal, no matter what, except when I'm sick or when I am going in a emergency situation. Then only I skip kajal. Otherwise, I never skip kajal in my college or whenever I'm going for an outing. Kajal was my permanent friend. I love black dark kajal. If you want, you can apply a brown kajal as well, but I think black kajal gives you a flawless and like a beautiful look to your eyes. We Indians are blessed with big eyes, so why not enhance them? And here I am using the mascara, my new favorite mascara, that is Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. After using Lakme mascara, Lakme Iconic Mascara, I hated mascara because I wasted my money in buying the Lakme Iconic Mascara, and I thought that I'm never going to buy a mascara again in my life. But I bought this mascara for my videos, and then I fell in love with mascara. I researched a lot, and then I bought this mascara, and it really curls up your lashes. You can see, you have seen in my other videos as well, and you will see here also how curled up my eyelashes are looking. It's This the mascara which I am using is a washable version. You can get a waterproof version as well. And nowadays it's on discount on Nika. See how curled up my eyelashes are looking. Here I am using my lipstick, the final touch. I'm using two nude lipsticks. I will give the shade name on screen. Both are from Lakme. One is a bullet lipstick and another one is a liquid lipstick. Lakme matte melt liquid lipstick. So yeah, here it is the shade. I love both the shades and I'm mixing it together because when I will apply a liquid lipstick on top of the bullet lipstick, then I will get my desired color. And coincidentally both the color matches well with my top, the top which I'm wearing. This is a beautiful top and I love it from the core of my heart. It is a birthday gift. I got this top last year on my birthday. So yeah, we are done. This is the only thing which I do now. I'm going to open my hair, give it a good combing. I will side part my hair like I always do. I'm not using any like eyeshadows or blusher or concealer because I don't think for everyday use these things are practical. I don't use it, so I'm not showing you here. So yeah guys, we are done. I'm wearing these beautiful tops. I got it for just 10 rupees. And tell me how you liked the videos, whether you liked it or not. If you do, then give my videos a like, comment on my videos, share my videos with your friends and family. Love you all. Bye.